I want show you and I will review with Stoodaio 50 agency review. So watch this video completely. If you want learn more about this my channel, check out in my blog also in the description. You will see my article about the product review. Let's get started about it. We are here to help you make the best videos possible. We know that every video maker is different. So we are here to help you find the right solution for your business. Whether you are looking for a way to create high quality content or just need to some extra help with Marketing Studio is here. And to help, we are provide video creation services ranging from simple quick and edits to full blown promotional campaign. Our team of experts can handle of any project from corporate video promotions to product and launches and social media posts. And Stoodaio Agency 50 is a video production company that specializes in creating short form content from social media. So we are dedicated to helping business or organizations connect with the target market through the video, especially when it comes to educating them about new product and services. We believe that great video content can make all the difference between the product being remembered and forgotten. So we strive to create engaging videos that are easy to on your eyes on our mind. So Stoodaio Agency 50, we are looking to make it easier than ever for video creators to get their works out there. We believe that there is no limit on what you do with your videos. The Stoodaio Agency 50, we are looking to make it easy than ever to video creator get to work up there. We believe that there is no limit what you can do with your videos. You can use them as a way to talk about your business or touch to people and teach about around them. You can use them to tell a story to create an engaging experience for your viewers, and when it comes down to it, there are just another way they communicated, but they have no power to go viral. You are willing to put in the work. That's why we created Stoodaio, as that your video can reach their potential without any extra effort on your part. We started Stoodaio Agency 50 because we are passionate about helping video makers like you. We believe that every single person that has potential create content that matters, and we want to you success it. Our mission is simple. We want to help people create videos that make a difference in their lives and the life of others. We do this by providing the tools and resources that enable to create a high quality engaging content on your own terms without having to deal with expensive software and technical knowledge. And we believe in this power of video to good, and we want you have access to all sources you to make your video better. So that's it for this video, guys. You want to learn more about this video and watch the demo also, check out in my description below. You will watch this presentation of the demo. And thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you learned some little bit knowledge of this video and sharing your friends and family, whatever it is.